Hello, my dear friends. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in the part 2 section of this video or this topic. I can say the topic is describe a large company that you are interested in. In this section, I will read the sample answer, okay, and I will read the mini story. Mini story is for fluency, and I will read the cue card. I can say sample answer to just recall our previous memory. And our next topic is describe a person in your family that you admire. So definitely, if you don't want to miss that topic, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Okay, so it is our topic. There are many huge and successful corporations all over the world, like Reliance, Tata, Amazon, Google. Here I would like to talk about company, or so I could say a company in which I want to work, and that is Accenture. It is a multinational company headquartered in Delhi NCR. Different types of businesses run under Accenture, like software development, outsourcing, textile, natural resources, retail, telecommunications, and so on. On 1st December 2019, Accenture becomes the first largest international company to exceed 420 billion market capitalization. Julia Sweet designated as a CEO of this company in the year of 2019. Approximately 10 important subsidiaries are under this company. Accenture and its subsidiaries are not only famous for its business, but its members like Julia Sweet do a lot of social work. She donates money to NGOs, provides medical aid, and encourages literacy among poor people. Currently, two of my friends are working in Accenture as a senior manager in software development wing, and they told me about the many rules and regulations, many other things of this company which I like. Also, they run many faculty development programs to train their employees. So that's why I am interested in to join this company. For sure, when they will have any opening in future as per my qualification, I am going to apply for that post. So it is the simple answer. Now it's time to take a look on mini story. Mini story is to get fluency only. So you just need to listen, and the right answer is not required. The speed of reading is the main key, and we need to stretch our brain with quick answer. So that is the main thing. Okay. Are there many huge and successful corporations all over the world? Yes, definitely. There are many huge and successful corporations all over the world. Would I like to talk about a company in which I want to work? Yes, definitely. I would like to talk about a company in which I want to work. What is the name of that company in which I would like to work in future? Accenture. The name of that company is Accenture, in which I would like to work in future. Would I to would I like to work in Accenture? Yes, I would like to work in Accenture. Where would I like to work in future? Accenture. In future, I would like to work in Accenture. Is it a multinational company? Yes, definitely. It is a multinational company. Is it a small company? No, no. It's not a small company. It's a multinational company. Which type of company is it? It is a kind of multinational company or a multinational company. Where is the headquarter of Accenture? Delhi NCR. The headquarter of Accenture is in Delhi NCR. Is it in Delhi NCR? Yes, definitely. It is in Delhi NCR. What is in Delhi NCR? The headquarter of Accenture. Does Accenture run different types of businesses? Yes, it does. Accenture runs different types of businesses. How many types of businesses runs by Accenture? Different types of businesses runs by Accenture. Does Accenture run business in the field of software development, outsourcing, textile, natural resources, retail, telecommunication? Yes, definitely. Accenture runs businesses in the field of software development, outsourcing, textile, natural resources, and retail telecommunication. Who runs businesses in the field of software development, outsourcing, textile, natural resources, retail, telecommunication? Accenture. Accenture runs their businesses in the field of software development, outsourcing, textile, and natural resources, and retail telecommunication. Does Google run business in the field of software development, outsourcing, textile, natural resources, and retail telecommunication? No, 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 not Google. Accenture runs. Who runs all businesses? Accenture. Does Accenture become the first largest MNC company to exceed 420 billion market capitalization? Yes, definitely. Accenture become the first largest. Accenture become the first largest. Yeah, Accenture becomes the first largest MNC company to exceed 420 billion market capitalization. Did Julius Sweet designate as a CEO of that company in the year of 2000? Yes, Julius Sweet designated as a CEO of this company in the year of 2019. Who designated as a CEO of Accenture company in the year of 2019? Julius Sweet. Julius Sweet designated as a CEO in the year of 2019. Did Julius Sweet designated as a CEO or did John designated as a CEO? Julius Sweet designated as a CEO. Does approximately 10 important subsidiaries under this company? Yes, approximately 10 important subsidiaries under this company means Accenture has 10 important subsidiaries under this company. How many important subsidiaries under this company? 10. Does Accenture run 10 important subsidiaries or less than 10 important subsidiaries? Accenture runs 10 important subsidiaries. Does Accenture and its subsidiaries famous only because of business? No, it is not famous only because of its business, because they are famous because they are doing some kind of social work also. Does Julius Sweet do a lot of social work? Yes, definitely. Julius Sweet does a lot of social work. Who does a lot of social work? Julius Sweet. Does Peter do a lot of social work? No, I don't know who is Peter. Does Julius Sweet do a lot of social work? Yes, definitely. Julius Sweet does a lot of social work. Does she donate money to NGO? Yes, definitely. She donates money to NGO. Who does donate money to NGO? Julius Sweet. Julius Sweet donates money to NGO. Does Julius Sweet donate money to NGO? Yes, definitely. She does. Does she provide medical aid and encourage literacy among poor people? Yes, definitely. She provides medical aid and encourage literacy among poor people. Who provide medical aid and encourage literacy among poor people? Julius Sweet. Julius Sweet provides medical aid and encourage literacy among poor people. Are two of my friends working in Accenture as a senior manager in software development wing? Yes, definitely. There are two of my friends are working in Accenture as a senior manager in the software development wing. How many friends do I have who are working in Accenture? Two. I have two friends who are working in Accenture. Did they tell me about the management rules? Yes, they told me about the management rules. Did they tell me about the management rules and regulations? Yes, they told me about the management rules and regulations. What did they tell me about the Accenture? Their management rules and regulations. Does Accenture also run faculty development program? Yes, it does. Means Accenture does. Accenture also runs faculty development programs. What does Accenture also run for their employees? Faculty development program. They runs for their employees many type of faculty development programs. Is faculty development program to train employees of Accenture? Yes, faculty development program is a kind of program which is used to train their employees. Am I interested in to join this company? Yes, I am interested in to join this company. Who is interested in to join this company? I am. I am interested in to join this company. Do I have interest in Accenture company? Yes, I have interest in Accenture company. Am I going to apply in this company? Yes, definitely I am going to apply in this company. Am I going to apply in this company as per my qualification? Definitely I will apply in this company as per my qualification. Who is going to apply in this company as per the qualification? I am. I am going to apply in this company as per the qualification. With this, I am just about to end this video. So I will see you in our next topic, which is describe a person in your family that you are admire. So if you don't want to miss, subscribe this channel and like this button.